hate takeoff and landings. I'm always terrified. Once we're in the air, I calm down. Are you afraid to fly? Do you like to fly? What's your favorite airline? We're Spirit members. Spirit's cheap out of Myrtle Beach, so that's kind of our go-to, especially to Cleveland or Orlando. There he goes. Ooh, listen to that jet engines. I'm always like right about here. My mind is starting to say, "Get up, get up, get up. You're running out of a runway. Get up, get up." That's just me. That's how I roll. And is he getting up? Get up there, guy. Get up. Oh, there he goes. Nose up. Oh, that's beautiful. There he goes.